At Jeff Cook Real Estate, we are a team of local neighborhood experts. We know that every agent will claim to be a local expert, but let's get real. One agent can't possibly know every neighborhood in the entire area. We are a real estate company that is a cooperative team of more than 150 real estate agents. We share information, cooperate with each other, and help each other out when the need arises. We understand all the market data and the real estate statistics, but we focus on how to best use that data to position your home uniquely. We have multiple offices in your neighborhoods, filled with agents who know their individual areas intimately. So yes, we can say that we are your neighborhood experts. We've been perfecting our systems for 16 years. We are ranked number 10 in the country and number 1 in the Carolinas by the Wall Street Journal. We have national stature, but a local presence. Call us today, your neighborhood local expert, at 855-HEY-JEFF.